Riboti ni muingi borithi mwena wa Nyamaramba guku ni kaunti-ini ya Kisii nimarikitie kugomaniria ngari igiri iria cirarĩ na bangi ya kilo makiria ma 500 na iria irerekana ni ya muigana wa milioni 17 riu ekuwirwo 5 makirikia guikio ngono guku angi magithie na mbere gwethanwo nao.
So far we have managed to arrest 5 suspects who are in custody, and we are still carrying out more investigation.
Komanda wa borithi kaunti-ini yo Charles Kasses ni ekirite mukonde ndeto guku akiuga ni mamukirite ndumiriri ati maabitha hamwe a borithi ni makuruhanitio na bangi iyo riu akiiranira gukorwo akioera ikinya ria kiwatho maabitha othe aria makunyitikana meigiranĩtie na wabangi gicigo-ini kiu guku agithi na mbere guikia ritana kuri muingi uthie na mbere gutithia borithi kwiranira ciiko icio.
Received this morning at around 7:30 in the morning. We received information from our informers that some vehicles were sighted, some were 3 vehicles, motor vehicles, and they were suspected of carrying cannabis sativa, bank. Some of our officers might be involved in this, and we are telling members of the public that nobody will be spared. Whoever is involved will carry his own cross.
Kasses ni arikirie na kuga ni marakoretwo makihithukia ngari ingi igiri cikuwite bangi mweri muhituku iria cirakorirwo cikinyitwo mwena wa Kenyenya hamwe na Keumbu guku ni Githia gatagati riu akiuga mareko wira bangi yo ikoragwo ikiuma kaunti-ini iria mariganitie.
Kwa miezi miwili iliyopita tumeweza kushika gari kama 3 huko Kenyenya, gari 2, moja aina Prado, ingine pickup ikiwa inasafirisha hii dawa ya kulevya pia. Na pia majuzi pia tulishika gari ya Probox hapa area ya Keumbu ikiwa inasafirisha hiyo madawa. Tunaamini ya kwamba hizi dawa zinazokuwa zimetoka kaunti jirani na pia hii kaunti yetu, lakini hiyo vita tumejitolea kabisa kupigana hiyo vita dhidi ya dawa haramu hiyo Bangi, na tutaendelea, na tunaomba wananchi pia watusaidie kama uko na habari yote watusaidie.